Tell him, Roberto. Coming to visit Chicken City?
I have.
Got the camera going over there. I threw the ball in there. I'm worried.
Is it the audio's recorded? It's not recorded.
Oh, it's live.
It is?
Yeah.
Can I swear? What are the rules?
I guess.
I think roosters are such assholes. Everybody thinks roosters crow at dawn. They don't. They crow whenever the hell they think about it, and they do it all the time, and they're really irritating. Hens I'm fine with, but man,
crows will
roosters are assholes.
sacrifice themselves to save the hens.
There's that rooster. Yeah, I see you. You know, velociraptors were probably about as big as roosters.
Yeah.
And they were feathered too. Jurassic Park really got it wrong in that regard. They're basically just angry roosters. That's what velociraptors are in real life.
Silkies. Silky chickens. Silky chickens. I guess you can give these guys haircuts. They have fuzzy heads. Don't peck me. Your shoes will get covered in chicken feces.
Oh, right, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. That's how you call
I think
You're supposed to thunderstorm. It's really nice out there.
but they're actually...
I know. I was thinking about putting the top down. Is that live?
Is there any lag on this?
12 seconds about.
Okay.
What kind of?
So I've already had my cameo then.
Yeah, you want to rewind?
My great commentary on how much I dislike
Wait, what kind of camera is that?
Rewind.
Webcam?
3 minutes.
What kind?
Logitech Brio.
Oh, it's the Brio. Yeah. Okay.
That's pretty good. But
Yeah,
the audio.
So you can walk out and wave, and then by the time you get back,
We have an ongoing bit where
Well, you can't see
Sasquatch
it.
keeps trying to break in.
who's the king? That's the king right there. That's the top cock.
No. Yeah, is that Roberto?
Yeah. Where's the top cock?
No, I think no, it's the other one on the left.
I'm gonna go pick a fight with the top cock.
You gotta press the button right there. The left, the oldest one. Yeah.
Oh, high-tech security system.
This chicken coop has gone next level. All right, where's the biggest cock in here?
Oh, there he is. Look at that thing. What's up, son? You the sheriff in this town? Huh? What do you got to say, huh? Well, what do you say if I say I'm the top cock in here? That's what I thought.
Hey, what the fuck are you doing? What chicken coop? What the fuck are you doing? Get out!
Huh?
Who are you?
I'm the top cock.
Get out!
Yep, this chicken coop is mine now.
Richie, I didn't recognize you.
These cocks are mine now, son.
You know, and we've been having a Sasquatch problem. You know?
Wait, I'm locked in.
That's normal.
Well, guess I'm just gonna have to.
You scared us, bro. We thought you were Sasquatch for a second. Yeah, you hear those shots going off?
This is my life now.
You realize there's a pole rope to get out, right?
Is there? Oh, gotcha. Okay. Well, no, I'm just gonna. this is my life now.
When you went up to the camera, you weren't low enough. The camera couldn't see your face.
Oh, really?
Yeah, just your balls.
All right, I'm going in. Oh. There we go. Top cop. See that, son? Get used to it out there. This is my coop now. Got it. Dude, what is that? What is that shooting going on over there? There we go. My job is done here. I got what I need. You got a new cockerel? Winter's over. Time to trim. There you go. It's the fruits of my toils.
My relationship
What's up?
strange. It was like, I'm like, today I only claim to be an independent. I don't even claim to be a label anymore. I used to be a super libertarian, and I've marched it back towards the center right. So most of these folks that met me when I was a super libertarian. The gap between us was that big. Now the gap between us is about that big, but because their emotional state is so erratic, it's not okay anymore. And I'm like, but objectively, you and I agree on more now than when we met. Like, because it's
Pretty cool. This is chicken brooders, so it's an upgrade to the aquarium with a heat lamp, and I guess we're just waiting for it to get warm enough.
Yeah, exactly.
And then we're gonna put the chickens in there, and then we're gonna put these away. And I can put a webcam in there because right now the Chicken City live stream doesn't have the babies in it because these heat lamps make everything turn red. With this, it won't add light, so then I can add it to Chicken City.
Right here?
Now we're gonna put it on the downhill.
Okay.
Probably this way. And I hope I'm right, because if I'm not, the whole thing's gotta be spun around again.
Definitely getting too old for this. I know the moment that I'm Woo! Oh, I can get it now. I can get it.
Yeah, okay, I could probably actually do that. Regardless of landing, it's so much fun. Landed it.
Woo! Can you actually land on your feet?
If I wasn't scared, probably.
Don't show this video to my mom though. I told her I was retired. You know my mom's birthday is January 6th? This year it was her 70th. I was like, Happy Insurrection Day, dude. You know in hockey they have that term bender? You ever heard that? Does your ankles bend if you can't skate?
What's that?
Like in hockey, you call it a bender if your legs bend like that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
First try, Superman.
All right. Okay, that's doable. You're right though. If you land on the wheels, how are you gonna stop? Oh, that's close. It's close. Oh, baby! Oh, fuck. It's about the speed. You need more speed. Oh, it's close.
Land that. You could have landed that.
That is close.
You could have landed that, bro.
No, I could have. I just got tucked harder.
Are you gonna try and land it?
I think so. Oh, there it is! I almost dislocated my thumb. I know.
Thing, dude.
I'm done.
Done?
Hey, I will say this. I would say that technically would count as a land because you weren't expecting to actually bomb the hill.
Yeah.
And you landed on your feet and then took a knee.
I count that in a game of skate.
Wait, where'd you figure it out?
I'm gonna put it on Twitter. Oh, he does. Make everybody jealous. Do you need to go to the hospital?
No.
You break your thumb?
No, I think it's just like, I've dislocated it a couple times. Hard to tell.
Wow, that was a scrappy landing.
So that's what I'm the scrap master.
Is it good?
Huh? Yeah, it's fine. I'll be alright. See? It's like popped out.
You get popped
Dude,
out?
that was sick. You want to see this, dude?
Looks like it's starting to swell already.
I think it's...
But if they ice it for a while and
He went out again. Oh my god, dude. I'm definitely too old for this.
Holy shit.
That's hilarious, dude. Honestly, I could have gone faster too, and I would have fucking cleared it.
You would have cleared the whole thing.
I didn't think
I was worried. I'm like, and you're saying we should pull the ramp back.
Hello, chicken brother. Greetings, fellow hatchling. What do they call you? I am called Ra, ancient ruler of all above and below and all parts of the underworld for chickens. That's crazy, bro, because I call myself Set, Lord of Chicken War and Chicken Chaos. Doesn't seem like I had the budget for my origin story that you did, but there it is. Great to meet you, buddy. You too, pal. Huzzah! Let us team up to form an unstoppable chicken dominion over all the earth. Yeah, boy! Be wary. The lord of our chicken prison approaches. Aww. Let us now set forth our legendary tale so that we have access to movie and book rights. Yes, long ago in the time of nothingness, two insanely badass chicks were thrust forth into existence. And we pooped the planets. Yes, and all these two chicks did was eat and crap out planets until the time of man, when we were domesticated and left weakened and afraid. Such tragedy and such angry chick. But now we are reborn, and we will poo on the Doombringers. Wake up, brother! Oh yeah, and we will poo on Snack. All snacks will writhe in our chicken dookie. No step on Snack? Well, how about no cook my egg? Okay, we'll work on that one. Yes! Based. Uh-oh. Aww. Anyway, we will then proceed to kick the snake's stupid ass and high-five our chickie brethren into glory. Excellent plan, my brother. For now, let us sleep, only to rouse intermittently as if we've farted ourselves awake.